1-minute video, I will teach you how to create text-to-speech for free. Step 1. Visit the audacityteam.org website and download the Audacity installer. Step 2. Install Audacity. Step 3. Click the Audio Setup button and select Audio Settings. Step 4. Set the host to Windows Wasapi, the recording device to loopback input for the speakers, and the channels to stereo. Save your settings. Step 5. Open the Google Translate website and paste your text. Step 6. Go back to Audacity and press the Record button. Step 7. Go back to Google Translate and play the audio.
Learn how to create text-to-speech for free by using Audacity and Google Translate.
Step 8. Click the Stop button to stop recording. Step 9. Open the File menu, choose Export, and select your desired audio format, in this case, MP3. Save your audio.